Giraffes have long necks. Giraffe. Whoa! Come and see the zebra. 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 Very good. Whoa! Come and see the hippopotamus. 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 Very good. Oh, this is the end of the story. No more. Okay. Take a look at this. Hey, girls. A shiny little ball, a sticky ball. It shines. Can you see it shines? Whoa, it shines, shines, it shines, it shines. Do you want to play with that? Okay, go back to your mama and then we can play and we can play. Go back to your mama. Where is your mama? Go back to your mama. Alright, play in volleyball and make it stick on the board. Make it stick on the board, and make it shine. It shines on my board. And who wants to go first? Ah, good. Here you go. Try it. Straw. Oh. Good. Penny. Wow, good, Penny. Here you are. Oh. Thank you. Very good. Good. Back to mama. You want to try again? Whoa, you want to try again? Try again. Oh, good. Who's turn? Wow, very good. Wow. See, it shines.